Okay, in this particular one, we're going to go down and we're going to follow towards Grand Lisboa. And let me just show you the street sign right here. So, Rua da Nova Guia. So we'll be back and we'll just follow this down. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Oh, yep, there's a Grand Lisboa. Just to kind of give you a little reference point, there's a park right here and a kind of a sports center right here. There's also Hotel Royal, which is right there, which kind of goes, so anyways, this is kind of a little narrow street. This is a major street, and then we're going to follow this one down towards the Grand Lisboa. And just to give you a little reference, there you go. So let's follow this one down. Nice and shady too, so it's good. Parking for mopeds. And just kind of see, so got cosmetics, Macau brand. Huh. Might check out some stores here for a second too. Okay, let's continue on. This is like swimwear. So there's like it's hot, so so we're just gonna follow the street. Here's a cosmetics one, and we're gonna see what's all down here. Piano company, supermarket. Has a really old style feel to this street. Oh, look, there's a little alley right here. So we could just go down to the main street, but we're gonna, this is that one. So we're just gonna keep on going down. It's actually pretty hot today, so this nice shady street is a welcome change to hair shop. Cool, right on the corner there. All kinds of cool stuff here. Salon, real estate, noodle. And over this way, let's see. So yeah, kind of a nice quiet street, quite narrow. Salon. The back looks pretty cool too. Okay, so some of these corner stores are kind of cool. Actually, there's a temple right there. That temple might be worth exploring. So anyways, this is Grand Lisboa straight ahead, and as tempted as I am to go explore that, and then this is where we came from, the Royal. I think I want to see what this temple is all about, so let's just go check that out. Might not get sidetracked. So the purpose was that particular street. It might be labeled accordingly, but even if you do go to that street, you'll know that there's other stuff here like this temple that we're gonna go check out. This one. So let's see what this is all about. There it is. There we go. So yeah, this little temple. Now we're in this tiny little alley. Just gonna follow this little alley down and see what's in here. Then we'll probably go back up to the main street again. Huh. So we just went up to this mid-levels. Okay. So I was here earlier. And so it looks like we're gonna follow it back up again. And I'll try to double space and go so you're faster, so I'm a little bit faster. And I'm back here again. So yeah, actually this is where that's at. So what we're gonna do is let's go down a little bit further and then we'll probably conclude it. But you're gonna get another idea of what's on these streets. And actually, a lot of Macau looks like this. So this road is a single one-way for vehicles. Parking is kind of a nightmare. I don't know where they would park very easily. And then you have these little things that go down. This particular one goes all the way down, then it goes back up. So, pretty cool. Beautiful apartment buildings. So, okay. And this one's called Rua de Thomas de Rosa. And I think I might do a separate video just focusing on this one. Looks really interesting. Okay. So this is our focus of this particular street, and we're gonna end it on this particular place. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.